Hey future real estate tycoons. Welcome back to Easy Finance Tips, your go-to source for turning real estate dreams into success. I am GC, and today we're diving deep into the real estate game. Strategies for investing in bricks and mortar. By the end, you'll have the keys to navigate the real estate world with confidence. Before we dive in, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. We drop wisdom bombs every week, and you don't want to miss out. Real estate isn't just about properties. It's a game with strategies that can elevate your financial future. Ready to roll the dice? Let's dive in. Real estate has consistently been a wealth-building powerhouse. Historical data shows it often outperforms other asset classes. Key point number 1. Strategic property selection. First move. Strategic property selection. Understand the market, future development, and value appreciation. Learn the criteria successful investors use to choose properties wisely. Key point number 2. Financing strategies. Next, financing. From traditional mortgages to creative options, explore strategies to leverage capital, minimize risk, and maximize returns. Make your money work harder for you. Key point number 3. Income generation through rental properties. The real magic is in income generation. Dive into rental properties and learn how to create consistent cash flow, build equity, and secure your financial future through smart property management. There you have it, strategies to master the real estate game. Knowledge without action is like an empty house. Pick a strategy, implement it, and watch your empire grow. If this video sparked your ambitions, hit that like button and share it. Don't forget to subscribe to Easy Finance Tips for more real estate wisdom. Thanks for tuning in. Until next time, this is GC signing off from Easy Finance Tips. May your investments be strategic, your properties profitable, and your success as solid as bricks and mortar.